Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Chonavek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I'm married to Slovakia, a mom of one. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you all what to eat in a day. I'll be trying this challenge on a low Omam or is it Omam challenge, like 1 meal in a day. I'll be trying it on a low and I'll be seeing results. So I'll show you guys, like 1 meal a day means you just eat 1 meal in a day, but I'm also going to be like taking like liquid, sorry, I say flu. I'll be taking liquid like um tea, green tea, and the rest, but I'll only be eating one food in a day. Yeah, so I'll be doing this on the low, and people will be like, you're slimming down, you're slimming down, you're slimming down. What's going on? What's going on? I was like, okay, let me show you guys what I've been doing to lose the weight. Yeah. So my YouTube is all about DIY, family vlogs, and interracial couples and the rest. Yeah, if you're interested, then kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the notification whenever I upload a new one. And also like and comment and share. I don't know. Let's get started. Ooh, so same thing, baby girl gonna eat rice. Hobby has not yet decided what he wanna eat, so keep on asking him for what he wanna eat. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and don't forget to like the first notification whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So keep on watching. Okay, Mama, what are you doing? Are you cooking? Oh, you're washing the plate. Which one are you doing? The pot. You're washing the pot?
Look at me. Apple now. It's okay to call me Odiokonamba. Odiokonamba simply means a rare gem. You don't see people like me everywhere. See beauty. They mental. Le mama.
Ketchup, bama, butter, bread, and chopped onions. Okay, so he's gonna mix everything together. What he's mixing right now, he separated the oil, the tuna, the sardine oil. He separated it and just added only the sardine inside there, and he just sprayed this all over. He added egg. He sprayed this all over the bread. This is his snacks before he done his dinner. So he's making French potato. So he's slicing the potato. He has bacon, some sausage, and he's just laying out the bacon. Then he'll lay the potato also. Then after that, he's going to add some salt to taste and some black pepper also. Then he's frying some of the bacon and he will sprinkle those on top. Also, he added the sausage on top of it. He added egg. He just did it repeat, just as if you are doing lasagna. Just repeat the same method you did for the first one. Then he's adding some cooking cream and egg, and this is the end. So my daughter is eating with soup, and this is what me I'm eating. I'm drinking tea. Tea is already gone down, so